All right, good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 27th. Welcome to today's free video. And what we're looking at here is EWW, the Mexican ETF of their market. Okay, we talked about this. As you recall, we had a long trade right here last week, right? Not bad. 71, we went long, if you recall it, $71.17. Our initial risk on this trade was only 1 point to 70.17. Okay? Our first profit objective, right? Smallest profit target where the trade became absolutely free was 72.17 at a point profit, right? And then the risk reward of 2 to 1 put us at 73.17. Okay, 73.17 was right where this white horizontal line is, and that was hit yesterday. 73.17. It actually went up to 73.58 yesterday. Not a bad trade. So all profit objectives were hit to the upside. Now, of course, when you look at the 2 to 1 risk to reward, I like to look at it 80% of that. So since that largest profit objective of 73.17 was 2 points higher, 80% of 2 points is $1.62, and that put you at $72.77. So there's really three logical profit targets, right? The first one being just a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio where the trade becomes absolutely free and you don't lose 1 penny on it, right? And you can take some shares off if you like. And then, of course, the 2-to-1 risk to reward, which since we were risking 1 point, we were looking to make 2 points, and that was 73.17. So all profit targets were hit to the upside. So that was a nice trade. It actually took out this last high as well of 73.40. I'm personally flat this market. I'm not holding anything right now, so I scaled out of this trade. It was a really good trade. If you're still long this trade, wanting to milk it for what it's worth, my suggestion is that your sell stop right now would be below 72.44. I'd go probably 5 cents, 72.39, and just risk the market taking out yesterday's low. Okay, and if today becomes an inside pattern, then I would simply go below today's low for tomorrow. So that's what I would do. So I am flat this market right here. Let's look at the trade that we entered yesterday. If we recall, we went long Goldman Sachs, right? GS, right? Now, again, the trend is up big time, right? Market pull back. See all these white bars here, right? So right down in here is where I think the market, well, I just think the market's going higher. Again, I went long yesterday, if you recall, at 147.30. Okay. The initial stop loss, ISL, the initial stop loss on this trade is 144.48. So I am risking initially $2.82. All right. Again, that initial stop loss is below this 144.68, 20 cents below it to 144.48. That's where I'm currently sitting. The market right now is trading at 146.93. So we'll see what happens. That's really it. We're going to see what happens here. And there's one other trade that I'm liking, and I'm going to wait to see if we are filled on this. It's FDX, FedEx. Now, I know on this chart it looks really like, why would you be looking to buy it down in here? Well, this market's been up. If you measure the fibs, let's go, look at this range down here. I'm going to measure from the low of that range up to this high. Okay? See where we're at here. Now, granted, I'm always a little cautious and skeptical when the market's trading completely below the 50 exponential moving average, which is this pink line here, okay? But again, we measured, look at, this is a bunch of consolidation down in here, right? Market finally broke up through it, right? And ran up considerably. Hit this high. and we drew the fibs from this low. We'll just call it the LL, the lowest low on this particular chart, to this high. And we've got that almighty 50% retracement sitting right there. All right. So this is where I'm looking to buy. Okay, you look at yesterday. Look at real closely. Look at yesterday. I'm going to blow this chart up a little bit. Again, if you can't see the chart, simply go to the right of this video and click on that square, and it'll enlarge your screen to fit your entire screen. You'll see exactly what I'm doing here. All right, look at this inside pattern. We had an inside bar here, and then the following day we had a lower high and a lower low. Okay, so it negated potentially buying above that high. Look at yesterday. Yesterday was an inside pattern, right? And the smallest range that we've seen in many, many days, right? Yesterday's range from high to low. Okay, let's see what the exact range is. It is, the high is 98.32, low 97.13. I mean, only a point and change. Okay? Very small range. So I've got a resting buy stop sitting above yesterday's high of 98.32. I'm actually going to 98.52. I got a buy in at $98.52 right now. So if the market is able to stage a rally, then I will be long. If not, then I'll reevaluate it. But I am watching this market carefully. The market, the FedEx is starting to consolidate down in here. And again, if today we get a move to the upside, I will be long at 98.52. If it's not able to take out yesterday's high, then I'll look to see what happens tomorrow. Okay? Hope that helps. Have a good day. Bye now.